everybody. Just hanging out, watching the storm pass by. It's still south of us, so this is just the beginning.
Got all the vehicles lined up. There's 3 of them sitting there.
TV down. Of course, we're keeping up to date on the news as it happens.
We are on the porch. It is very wet.
But we're staying mostly dry.
Mostly.
When the wind blows, it kind of blows through the screen, but...
Oh, Penny's not sitting with you anymore.
Yeah, Penny was sitting with me.
She was sitting actually on his chair.
So, quick story, Penny has been really close to me right now, and there's a reason for that, because probably the last time she had a hurricane, which was up in New Orleans, quick backstory on her story. She was a New Orleans dog, and when the hurricane hit up there last year, she was
Abandoned
or whatever, and shelter picked her up, and the shelter had to get rid of her because they were too full. And long story short, she made it down to the shelter down here.
Well, one of the first shelters that she went to was in a hurricane, and it started to flood. They had to transfer to another shelter. They got rid of her, transferred her to Georgia for a night.
Yeah, it was
Atlanta, Georgia
Georgia, yeah.
And then down to us.
Well, down in Naples.
And that's where we picked her up.
And, yeah, so she's a little scared and staying close to us. She doesn't want to be abandoned yet. That's understandable. But anyway, this is what we're running into. And we're just playing it safe and hunkering down as television continues to tell us to do. But the eye of the storm is going to hit just north of us, like literally just north of us. The eye wall could skim across our area, which is not good because that's the most wind that could happen in a hurricane.
Yeah, this morning we brought the chickens onto the back porch. That was a bit scary to have to go out there and do a lot because you hear the wind. It's like,
yeah.
And so it's kind of like, oh crap.
And currently, it's the eye wall is lining up parallel with Naples, Florida right now. So it's coming. We'll be here this afternoon, definitely.
Nice breeze.
Yeah, don't have to worry about hot or humid weather today.
I hope y'all can hear that whistle in the wind. And a lone bird somewhere.
Oh, we'll get that. The birds are out. Storm's over. Birds are out now.
I don't think that's how it works.
The birds know it's safe.
Yeah, well, they know when to hide. Next to me, I got the Feeny. Phoenix. I had to turn her chair because she was getting wet. And we have the news on with our amazing chief meteorologist, Matt Devitt. See where that eye is? We are, well, let's see where that red line is. We are right there. Yep, that's about where we are. So, if you can tell, that's where the eye of the storm is. We are.
It's basically where, I don't know if you can see it,
right there.
It says Fort.
Yeah, well, that's what I was trying to show. So, like, there's Fort Myers up right there.
So we're technically west of Fort Myers.
Yeah, so Fort Myers is right there, so we are literally, like, right there. So, That way you can tell kind of generally what we're dealing with and what's to come. And we will keep you as updated as we can. Some of the videos may come in a little late depending on service. So I guess we'll let you know.